Next problem. If the code of Bharat is 243536 and the code of America is 3705913, then what will be the code of word given in each of the following questions? And the words are mentioned here. So let us make it more clear. The code for B H A R A T is 2 4 3 5 3 6, and the code for America is A M E R I K A. This is 3 7 0 5 9 1 3. So these are the codes given, and respectively in the first problem you are expected to get the code of R I T E K H. So let us see what is the code for R. The code for R is 5. You can write here. The code for I, the code for I is 9. The code for T is 6. The code for E is 0. The code for K is 1. And the code for H is 4. So the code for RITEKH is 596014. Option B. Next problem. B I R A T. Let us find out second problem. The code for BIRAT. The code for B is 2. The code for I is 9. The code for R is 5. The code for A is 3. And the code for T is 6. So the code for BIRAT is 29536. Option number second. Next is you have to find out the code for RATAM. I'll write it here, RATAM. The code for R is 5. The code for A is 3. So we are basically referring this initial information which was given in the problem statement, right? From here A is 3, T is 6, A is 3, and M is 7. So the code of RATAM is 53637. Option number 1. Next problem, you have to find out the code of T E B H, sorry, so we have to find out the code for T E B H M. The code for T is 6. The code for E is 0. The code for B is 2. The code for H is 4. And the code for M is 7. So the code of T E B H M is 60247. Answer is option number B. Next is Harare, H A R A R E. Let us find out the code of H. The code of H is 4. Let's see the code of A. The code of A is 3. The code of R is 5. The code of A is 3. The code of R is 5. And the code of E is 0. So the code for HARARE is 43535, option number C. Next is TARRAM. Let us find out. The code for T is 6. The code for A is 3. The code for R is 5. The code for R is 5. The code for A is 3. The code for M is 7. So the code for TARRAM is 63553, 7, which is option number 1.